Hi, my name is Terry Lige. I'm the founder and head facilitator for Inside Out Leadership. I would like to take a moment to talk about the Connections program. I have been running Connections now for 22 years, and thousands of people have attended this program, many who say at the end of it that it's the most life-changing experience they've ever had. So why the name Connections? I named this program Connections because I believe it connects you to you. I believe that self-awareness is the key to success in every area of our lives. And so the more you know about why you do what you do, the greater the opportunity for you to create the health and the happiness that you want in your life. So, what are some of the reasons why people might attend a Connections program? I've already mentioned self-awareness, but if you go a little deeper, there's self-acceptance, self-respect, and even self-love. Also, people would come because they're looking to renew their sense of passion. They want to feel their lives in maybe a way that they have not for a long time. Also, purpose. There are many people who do not have a strong sense of purpose, of really how they make a difference in life. Connections is an opportunity to gain some clarity around your purpose. Relationship is another reason why people show up for a Connections program. They're looking for some answers about ways that they've been doing relationship that has not really worked, creating outcomes that they're not really happy with, wanting to develop better communication and healthier relationship. And finally, people are coming to Connections because some of them are just looking for a safe place for some growth and some healing. If those are some of the reasons that you would attend a program, I really want you to consider coming to Connections. It really is a life-changing experience. I would encourage you to go to my website, www.terrylige.com, to find out more information and the dates for upcoming Connections programs. Please come and join us.